Our project title is Design of Single Phase Bidirectional Inverter with 2 buck boost MPPTs for DC distribution application. Our project abstract is that our project is focused on integration and operation of a single phase bidirectional inverter with 2 buck boost maximum power point trackers. In a DC distribution system, a bidirectional inverter is required to control the power flow between the DC bus and the AC grid and to regulate the DC bus voltage within the certain range. In our project, additionally, we are using the controller. The controller can online check the input configuration of the input two MPPTs and equally distribute the PV arrays output current to the MPPTs in parallel operation and switch the control loss to smooth out the transition. In our proposed project, the MPPT topology which combines buck and boost converter is proposed in this project, in which the control algorithm for tracking the maximum power point is based on P and O method. The maximum power point tracking will switch the operation modes between buck and boost when the output of the PV array voltage is close to the DC bus voltage. The operating principle and controllers of the system are first described, and the MPPT algorithm online check configuration, uniform current control, buck boost mode transition and DC voltage regulation mechanism are then addressed. Operation. The MPPT topology is formed with buck boost converter with the shared inductor to accommodate the wide PV array voltage. For various PV array applications, the MPPT is connected in both either separately or in parallel. The MPPT senses the PV voltage, DC bus voltage, inductor current into the peripheral interface controller to determine the operation mode and duty ratio for tracking the maximum power point accurately. When the PV array voltage is greater than the load voltage, the MPPT will operate in buck mode, while on the other hand, the MPPT is operated in boost mode and the PV voltage is lower than the load voltage. P and O method. In this P and O method, the microprocessor controller MPPT controller tracks the maximum output power of the PV array based on the P and O method. At the beginning, the controller will determine the operating mode. When the MPPT is operated in a boost mode, the inductor current is equal to the output current in the PV array. On the other hand, when the proposed MPPT is operated in buck mode, the inductor current is equal to the output current IO. With this control algorithm, controller tracks the peak power by increasing or decreasing the duty ratio periodically. Advantages of this project. It eliminates the high voltage stress, no need of under voltage and over voltage protection, efficiency is comparatively high. Applications. Our project can be used in UPS, grid connected converters, DC to DC converters and the industries where we are having the both AC and DC loads.